Hello, hello. Flex ko lang yung mga EDC ko. This is my EDC, my everyday carry. On the left side, this is my work phone. This is all in my pocket. So, mga nasa pocket ka muna. My work phone and then my personal phone. Vitamins. It's multivitamins. Of course, my Ultra Watch. My wallet. It's just cards and cash. Credit card, debit card, and ID. But usually it's in the front. Kasi maliit lang siya. Pang front pocket lang siya. My car keys. There's my car keys, my house keys, and my mailbox key. Next is my work bag or my EDC bag. I got it from Amazon. It's only like $30, I think. I bought it because my friend told me buy this one. This one looks better. Yeah. Nagustuhan ko siya kasi may lalagyan na siya ng umbrella. You can put umbrella right here. Yep. That's where you put your umbrella. Yep. But enough with that. Hindi naman kailangan niya. Ang totoong i-review natin yung laman nito. Okay, let's start with the front pocket muna. Front pocket, Blistex, of course. You're gonna need Blistex pagka choppy na yung lips. Locker key sa work. Nail clippers. And a bottle opener. That's it for that pocket. Next is sa loob ng pocket. What's in here? Okay, yung pouch at saka multi-tool. Let's review the multi-tool first. So, multi-tool, I have it because may pliers. May pliers siya, may mga pocket, may folding knife, flathead screwdriver, can opener, and saw. Yan, may lagari siya. And then the other side, meron siyang another can opener. Flathead screwdriver na mas maliit, and then a Phillips screwdriver, and then a nail file. Yeah, it's not a must, but sa susunod magda-downgrade na ako, mas lighter than this one and maybe smaller. I just need it for the pliers. I just want pliers for my EDC. Okay, next, small pouch na ano ba naman ito? Oh, of course I have a wire cutter. Kailangan ko yan sa mga zip ties at saka kung ano man yung mga kailangan putulin na wire. May wire cutter tayo. This one is for the knife. Yeah, it's for the folding knife. I'll show it to you. What else we have here? No more. Okay, let's empty this one. Don't judge me why I might have a lot of tools. I needed it. Okay, let's go with this one first. This one is a aluminum straw. So in case of emergency, you need a straw, and hindi mo naman pwedeng gamitin ng yung nguso, you need a straw. It's a telescopic straw. Ito yung pipe cleaner niya. Yeah, it's just a folding straw. Emergency lang yan, hindi naman kailangan araw-arawin at itusok mo sa mga soda mo. In case lang na kailangan mong, kunyari, buko juice, wala kang straw. Meron kang straw na emergency. Next, cutter, box cutter. Pagka kailangan, usually sa arts and craft ko lang ginagamit to eh. Pero at least may box cutter ka sa tools mo, you're good to go. Also, you gotta have a folding knife. This folding knife is legal in California. Yung balisong di pwede kasi ang balisong is considered a anong tawag doon? Basta may term ang balisong na hindi pwede. Hindi siya considered folding knife. Consider siya ng ibang category na illegal sa California. So, but this one, as long as the folding knife has a lock mechanism, that's considered a safety folding knife. You can carry it in your pocket. You can carry it in your bag. It's legal. So if you have a folding knife, yeah, it's a must. You'll never know when you're gonna need it. Okay, next, I have scissors in here. Dalawang scissors ko eh. This one can be put in the pocket kasi may clip. This one is just a portable scissors. Ginagamit ko siya pag kailangan ng arts and craft or kailangan magputol ng mga thread or emergency. You have an emergency scissors. I have 2 scissors in here. Hindi lang yan. Marami pang scissors pero you'll see. This one is a wrench. Allen keys. Yan. Meron siyang hawakan para pwede mo siyang i-turn and then pwede mong pagpalitin kung gusto mo na mas mahaba. Yeah. Para mas maraming may torque. Yep. It's an Allen key. Ewan ko kung ano size yan. Don't ask me. Okay, this one is screwdrivers. Maraming heads. Ito, magnetic siya. So, you could just put it in here. 99 cents lang to. Nabili ko po to. Ang tagal na. Siguro mga 10 years na to nasa akin. Hindi ko naman gaano nagagamit. Ang nagagamit ko lang sa kanya pagka mag-aayos ako ng salamin kasi meron siyang may smallest screw, flathead screw na nandiyan. Kasya para sa sa salamin. Pero that's it. Pero pagka kailangan nyo magbukas ng mga toys, mga anong tawag dito? Mga tech, meron kang screwdriver. Oh, and also have another one. And also, this one is a screwdriver, but meron siyang fuse. I think parang pagka yung mga wire na hot, yung mga may kuryente, yeah, meron siyang fuse na makaka-detect kung live yung wire na chine-check mo. Of course, hindi mo mawala. Kailangan mo ng fire supply. Fire starter. Ayan, may lighter ka. Kailangan may lighter ka. 2 lighter sa trabaho. Bakit kayo nagtatanong kung bakit ako may dala lighter sa trabaho? I don't smoke cigarettes anymore, but I have the vape right there. But yeah, kailangan mo yan. In case, birthday, yan. Kailangan mo lang ng manunog ng bahay. No, just kidding. That's illegal here in California or anywhere in the world. This one is a phone stand. Why not? This one is a AirPod cleaner. Kasama to sa binili kong AirPod shell. Yeah, pagka kailangan mo lang maglinis ng AirPod. And then, remember this is from the folding knife. Yeah, kasi kung gusto mo siyang lagyan ng ng clip para sa belt, pwede mo ilagay. Pero I don't need it, so I left it in there. But just in case, I'm gonna need it, it's right there. Okay, next, I have a carabiner with a little bit of tools in here. Another phone stand, kung kailangan mo ng phone stand. This is from IKEA. I remember, I think it's only 99 cents or 69 cents. Yeah, it's cheap. You can use it for either side, from this side or this side. So, yeah. I have nail clippers, of course. This is essential. You're gonna need a nail clipper, especially yung kamay ko, laging naguhugas ng kamay. You need hand washing, and it makes your hands dry. So, most of the time, meron akong mga natutuklap na balat dyan. Masakit. Kaya ito ginagamit ko, nail clipper. And also to clean your nails. This one is very essential, flashlight. I bought it from Amazon. I think it's $15. Malakas siya na flashlight, hindi lang siya yung regular na flashlight. This one is the auto flashlight. I think it's 800 lumens. May strobe, and then you could change the settings from medium high, and then brighter, and then yung pinaka lowest dim niya. Ayan. And then to turn it off, 1, 2, 3, and then turn off. Yeah, kailangan mo rin yan. In case na madilim, kailangan mo ng isabit mo sa keychain mo. And it comes with a clip. Removable siya, yung clip niya, kasi you can put it on your hat. Kung you wear a hat, nasiraan ka, i-clip mo sa hat mo, then you can put it. I remember there's a type ng mga ganitong EDC flashlight na it comes with magnet. So you could magnet it. Kunyari, ilalagay mo sa hood ng car mo para makakita ka sa dilim. Pero this one, it's handy and it's rechargeable with USB-C. So yeah, if you need it. Pero malakas yung ilaw niya. It's good para sa pag naglalakad ka sa gabi at saka sa dilim. Okay, what I have here, I have pen in here. I mean, pens pagka, kailangan ko magsulat kasi lagi ako nasa field pag sa trabaho. Kailangan mo sumulat. So, you're gonna need at least pen. I don't have pencil. I have it in the car kasi mas ginagamit ko sa kotse. Kasi doon ako nagsusulat sa kotse. Pero just in case, like for example, magna-notes ako sa field, ayan yung pen. Ito pala yung upgrade ko dito sa bag na to. Sa bag na to, I bought this separately. This is a bottle holder. I think from 8 ounce all the way to 20 ounce, I believe. Pero kasya dito yung 1 liter ko na 1 liter na water bottle, and it's adjustable. You could adjust it kung may Stanley mug ka or taller bottle. Meron siyang rubber tip in here para mai-hook mo dun sa takip para hindi siya mahulog. Yeah, it's a good upgrade para sa bag if you have EDC bag. It comes with a patch in here, but hindi ko pa alam kung ano ilalagay kong patch yan, kung Philippine flag or American flag or maybe yung mga anime na patch. Next, side pocket naman tayo. Hand sanitizer, mostly hand sanitizer. Kailangan mo to pag kakain ka ng malansa or garlic. At least mabango yung kamay mo. Both hand sanitizer. One is spray and one is gel. This is tech cleaner. Ayan, pang brush ng keyboard, pang linis ng AirPods. pang remove ng mga libag-libag sa mga salamin na yan, at saka brush, micro brush. Yeah, it's good, panglinis. And then it comes with spray pagka gusto mo linisin yung salamin mo or yung mga tech gadgets mo, like yung phone or iPad. Ito may microfiber dito na pwede mo siyang pang-polish. Pero usually ginagamit ko lang yung liquid na nasa loob ng bottle na yan. What else we have? That's it for this corner. Okay. Sa backside naman tayo. Sa backside, I have usually mga madaling dukutin na hindi ko na kailangan kalkalin sa loob. But yeah, this one is my disposable vape kasi minsan hindi mo kayang dalin yung vape mo na regular, yan, and hindi ka naman pwede mag-vape kung saan. So ito, at least may lalagay ko sa pocket ko. Ito, disposable lang to. I think 500 puff lang to. Pero it's good and there's zero nicotine. So I was trying to quit, but quitting sometimes you fail. But yeah, ito yung disposable vape na emergency. If you really need a vape and you just need a hit. But there's no nicotine. This one is ginawa ko lang siya. It's actually for my umbrella. Let me show it to you. So it's basically a paracord, mga 2 feet yata to. Yeah, 2 feet nga. So ginawa ko siya ng may carabiner sa kabilang edge and then loop lang sa kabilang edge. Let me show it to you. So usually you put the loop in there and then yung carabiner, kaya ko siya ginawang carabiner kasi ayaw ko magbuhol. And then you could just hook it right here. Sakay mo dito. And then you have small katana, umbrella na pwede mo siyang para ka ninja na dala-dala mo sa likod mo, or ayaw mong maghawak sa kamay, you need your hands free. And especially sa work ko, nasa field ako, I don't wanna hold anything o umbrella. Ayan, kaya ko yung ginawa specifically just for the umbrella. Pero yeah, since yung nabili ko na yung bag na may umbrella holder, hindi ko naman siya gaanong ginagamit sa bag, but just in case tagulan. And California sometimes may rainy days. Okay, nasa main event na tayo. This is the final pocket, I think. Oh no, the main pocket. Okay, let's grab whatever we can first. This is the old Beats pouch ng anak ko dahil ayaw niyang gamitin, akong gumamit. Yeah, basically charger, USB-C charger. There's my watch charger para yan sa watch kung kailangan ko mag-charge. It comes with a USB adapter. It also goes with USB charger na USB-C to USB-C. Pwede mo i-convert sa USB-A. But yeah, usually I only use it for my watch. Like nagpunta kami ng ng Las Vegas, gamit namin sa hotel. So I don't have to carry my other charger. USB-C and then USB-C with Lightning and USB-C converter. So, because my work phone runs with Lightning, so I still need a USB-C to USB. To USB-C to Lightning. And then last thing inside that pouch is a USB-C headphones, because pag nawalan na ng charge yung yung mga AirPods mo, at least you have a manual headphones. But that's it sa mga tech pouch na yan. Okay, what's next? Okay, so this one, I'm always outside. You're gonna need this. It's sunscreen 70 SPF. Hindi siya masyadong mamantika, kaya siya ang napili ko. Hindi siya shiny, hindi ka mukhang malagkit o grasa. And hindi siya sticky. So yeah, and also it could save you from skin cancer. So make sure meron kayong SPF lagi sa bag nyo, especially summer is coming. Oh, actually, it's already summer. Yeah, so you're gonna need a SPF. Meron tayo dito. Okay, so this one is my hand lotion. Like I told you, I always wash my hands. So, laging dry yung kamay ko. So, I needed it. I have my hand lotion. And it's also non-scented. Is it? Fragrance free. Wala siya amoy. Okay, what else? This one. I don't know if you have it in your EDC, but I have this one in EDC because I am diabetic. So I have neuropathy in my hand. So sometimes siya, hindi naman nangingimay, pero you can feel it na it's like the sensation of your nerve. So para matigil siya, either mag-push up ako or gumamit ako nito. And this one could go to up to 60 kilograms. So, mga 30 pounds. Yeah, but yeah. And I think ang best ko dito is all the way. But yeah. And it also has a counter. So, mabibilang mo kung hanggang ilan. And it's also good for your forearm. But yeah, don't judge. Okay, next is it's just a spool of string. I don't know kung ano to. Basta nabili ko lang to, I think sa Michaels or Hobby Lobby. Basta I needed cord. Sometimes in life you needed cordage. Like for example, bibili ka ng pizza, bibili ka ng something that you need a cord. Yeah, may cord ka. Hindi mo mawawala dapat ang cord sa bag mo or EDC mo. Kailangan may cordage ka. Yep. It's a must. Okay, what's next? Oh, this one is a knapsack from IKEA. I bought this one, I think it's only like $3, $4 sa IKEA. It's a knapsack. I know I have a bag already, but in case, like for example, magsiswimming kami and I needed an extra bag for my wet clothes. Kasi I'm working in day program and sometimes we take individuals sa pool and yeah, I'm gonna need an extra bag. And this one is waterproof ang loob. So, I could put my wet clothes in here. And I don't have to worry that mababasa yung kotse ko. But yeah, and it comes with a I don't know how you call this one. It reflects at night pag madilim, and then pagka natapatan mo siya ng ilaw. Let me show it to you. Pag natapatan mo siya ng ilaw, lumiliwanag din siya at night. Where's my flashlight? Okay, there you go. So, yeah, you can't see it, but it's very reflecting. It's a material na yung ginagamit sa mga signage sa street. Yeah, nagre-reflect siya. It's a must, but you don't have to, but I have to. Okay, what's next? Of course, my gaming. I have two of these, just in case I want to play retro games in my phone. Pampaubos ng oras. I brought this one time in Las Vegas, I could play and my sister play with it. Yeah, if you needed to play games. Yeah, I think Super Mario nilaro ni Nika. Okay, what else? Oh, Pepto-Bismol. I always having diarrhea or upset stomach or gassy heartburn. Yeah, or nasusuka ka. Pepto-Bismol is the best. And kunyari magta-travel ka, nasusuka ka, Pepto-Bismol. It's gonna help you a lot, and especially like yung diarrhea or LBM ka nga. What else we have? Tylenol. This one is a must. Essential yan sa bag ng EDC mo. You have to have any pain meds in your bag. It's either ibuprofen or acetaminophen. Acetaminophen, you can carry it anytime. You don't need a prescription on it. Majority ng mga kasama ko sa trabaho, sa akin ang punta kasi I have Tylenol. But yeah, in case na, you're having fever or elevated temperature, or sometimes you just have a headache. Yeah, I have Tylenol. It's a must. Hindi kailangan mawala yan sa bag mo. Okay, next. What have I here? Okay. So, I have my glass cleaner. My eyeglass cleaner. Hindi ko siya ginagamit sa ibang tech. Sa eyeglass lang kasi magiging malikabok siya sa eyeglasses. Pero yeah, pang eyeglasses lang yan. And then I have my 2 AirPods. One is AirPod 2 and AirPod 4. I got this one a long time ago, and then I got this one for free from my work. I was working there for 15 years, and I received this one as a free gift. So yeah, and then I got 2 AirPods. But just in case this one failed, I have the manual one. So next. Shopping bag. So just in case you have been in shopping bag, and here in California, ban na yung plastic bag sa mga grocery store. So if you don't want to pay for extra paper bags, yeah, may shopping bag. This one came from Hawaii. My director's friend gave it to me. This is one of her giveaways sa mga colleagues. Yeah, it's a shopping bag. I don't want to open it because I can't fold it back. I don't know how to fold it back once I open it. Okay, next. This one is also a must sa EDC bag nyo. I work with adult day service, and I work with individuals, and especially people with disabilities. And sometimes, they could get scratched, they could get injured, and you need an emergency kit. So first aid kit is the best. Sometimes I got injured, like look at my thumb. Syempre, para infection control, you need to cover it up para hindi open sa infection. So yeah, first aid kit, I have waterproof tape just in case na puro duguan na yung sinisave mo and you can't stick it. This one will stick any wet surface. What else we have in here? Yeah, cotton swabs, band-aids, and yung listahan. May gauze, another tape sa mga emergency gloves, tourniquet para mag-stop ng bleeding, safety pins. You're gonna need safety pins in case of emergency, What else we have? Mga alcohol prep, and scissors in there. This one, I don't know if it's TSA proof to, kung pwede to sa TSA, pero I suggest remove it. Pero I know pwede to kasi nakasama to sa sa binili ko sa Amazon. Kasama na siya dyan. Whole kit. I think it's only $7 for the whole kit. Pero it's a must. You gotta have it. Very important. What else do I have here? Oh, this one is my folding pan. Nasira na dahil sa kapatid ko. Nasira na. But it's a cheap. I think it's only $1 folding pan. Pwede mo rin siyang pantakip pag masyadong araw and you don't have a hat. But yeah, and it works. It's still, kahit may butas siya, gumagana pa rin siya. Yeah, at least you have folding fan. If you don't have the electric portable fan, it's gonna save you a lot. What else? Okay, I think that's it for the main pocket. Make sure you have some few candies in your bag. You'll never know. This one is cup drops, just in case na makatilala muna mo. Yeah, you have your cup drops. And this one, I always keep 1 or 2 of this, just in case bumaksak yung sugar ko. Because I'm diabetic, I need sugar just in case mag-hypoglycemic ako. But this one, it could also save the individuals I support. You know, pag bumaksak ang mga sugar nila and you're gonna need to give them at least something sweet. I have this one. It's a must. At least a couple of this or a few of this in your bag. It's not gonna hurt you, but yeah. Please don't eat it. Only you need it for emergency. You can eat any other candies, but yeah, that's gonna save your life pagka bumaksak yung sugar mo. Okay, I think that's it. And then sa side pocket na tayo. I think this is the last pocket inside. Let's go with the first thing. This one first. This one is my rebuildable kit para sa vape. Yung vape, I've been rebuilding my vape since 2013. So, what, 13 years? Yeah, so, yeah. Folding scissors, like I told you, may folding scissors in ako. If you are traveling with this, make sure you have it in your luggage. Huwag nyo ilagay sa hand carry nyo kasi baka kayo masita at mawala pa. And it also has a tweezer para sa wick and sa what to call this, sa mga wire. And then there's a screw in there, and then there's a cap. If you don't know what the cap is, it's just in case of emergency. If you don't know how to whistle with the cap, I'll teach you how. You just need a triangle in here. Make sure it's a triangle, and then you can blow on the top of your knuckle right here. Yep. It's a whistle. Yeah, emergency whistle ko yan. If you don't know how to whistle, bahala na kayo. But that's my emergency whistle. Pagka nawawala ka sa gubat, kung nagpunta ka sa gubat, meron kang whistle. Okay, next, meron ako maliit na pouch. Usually it's for my Velcro wire holder, pero nilalagay ko lang dito is cotton, because it's also for my vape. Kasi nga nagre-rebuild ako. I need to rebuild my vape. Yan. May wick ako. Gupitin ko lang ng strip and then may wick na ako. And it also comes as an emergency. Like last time na I got injured with my thumb. Yeah. Nagdudugo siya. I have to cover it with this pad and then wrap it with the waterproof tape. It's not a must, but it's good if you have some. And then I also have a gallon. I think it's a gallon Ziploc bag. You're not gonna need it, but if you're a Filipino, you might have a use for it. But for me, my use is it's just an extra storage space inside. You know, kailangan ko lang kasi ayoko masyadong maraming clutter, kaya kailangan maliliit na bag. So, kunyari may dadamputin ako, I need wires, nandun sa bag. I need first aid, nandun lang sa bag. I need things na para sa tech, dito lang sa bag. So, yeah. iwas clutter na din sa bag. And then, yeah, 1 gallon Ziploc bag. This one, it's not a must, but it's good to have a writing component na meron ka mapagsusulatan. Yan. Hindi mo naman kailangan sumulat ng pagkahaba-habang nobela. Mga importanteng bagay lang. For example, naliligaw ka, walang battery phone mo, write the address in here. Pwede ka magtanong, saan po ba dito yung address na to? But yeah, it could save you if you needed notes. Or for example, you were somewhere lost and you gotta need a note. Yeah, meron kang notebook. And also, I have this one, sticky notes. Make sure it's a bright colored sticky notes. Just in case, I know you don't need it for EDC, but me, I needed it, especially sa mga illegal na nagpa-parking sa aming opisina. It's not a public parking, so usually sinusulatan ka, not a public parking, and then you stick that there to their window. Gugulat na lang sila, meron silang note. Pero yeah, it's important and makakasave din sa inyo yan. Don't judge me. I have multiple sizes of zip ties in here. There's different types. This one is a zip tie na para siyang bolt and nut. Yung type niya is pagka nawalan ka ng tornilyo, and then you gonna tie it with the other side like that. Ayan. Pwede mo siyang gamitin. Ipasok mo lang siya sa butas, and then i-zip tie mo, and then cut it with a wire cutter. That's why I have a wire cutter. Para yan dyan, sa zip tie. And also have different sizes of zip ties. Minsan ito sa wire lang, pagka magkakabit lang ng mga wires sa computer. Yan. Ito, mga kailangan mo lang maliliit na ikabit. I have larger one, but nasa kotse. And this one is just, I think, how many? 100 pieces. 3 by 200. So, I don't know if it's 3. It says 3 millimeter. Oh, 3 millimeters on thick, and then 200 millimeters wide. Okay. Yeah, it's just because meron kang zip tie, and sa kotse ko mas marami. I'm not a hoarder, pero I always think about kailangan lagi kang handa. Like, para kang Boy Scout, lagi kang handa. You have to have something in your EDC. It's not because na trip mo lang na bilhin. Lahat ng nasa bag ko, it comes with a purpose. They have a purpose. Pagka hindi ko sila kailangan, I don't need it. I don't need it in my bag because I have to carry it. And I think my bag, with all of this junk, not really junk, with necessities, it comes with at least 15 pounds or 12 to 15 pounds pagka nagsama-sama sila. I'm trying to downgrade it kasi yung mga mabibigat like this one, it's heavy. The multi-tool is heavy. I'm gonna downgrade it to smaller tools. But yeah, this is my EDC. If you guys have any other questions, yung kung saan ko nabili itong mga to, usually it comes for free, 99 cents store. Matagal ko na silang nasa bag. Lagi ko lang silang dala. Temu, kasi kuripot ako. Ayokong bumili ng mga bagay na hindi ko naman kailangan gamitin araw-araw, pero ayoko rin mag-spend ng up to $20. Some of these, like for example, the zip ties, they only cost like $50, $75 sa Temu. And it comes with a lot of pieces. So, yeah. And yung mga iba dyan, may mga price. Ang totoong price ng multi-tool na to, I think it's $20. Ito lang yata may pinakamahal dito sa lahat na to. And then the rest is only like $5 and $15 max. I think the knife is $15 and the flashlight, because it's Amazon Prime this week, so I always order in Amazon Prime. I mean Prime Day, not Amazon Prime. Prime Day. But yeah, That's my EDC. See ya.